Okay, velcroed the GPS on there. Hopefully it's going to stay there. Okay. I'm going to walk over there a little bit so I'm not at the end. Whoa, GPS came off. Hit a rock. Okay, put the GPS on the side. Hopefully I won't hit another rock. That was kind of bad. Why are you pulling to the right, you little bugger? Just try to fix my steering a little bit. Now it wants to steer to the left. Put it right a little bit. There's a big hole right where I'm standing. Let me make sure I don't hit that. That's probably what I hit earlier. No, that was no good. Come on, Frank. No, that wasn't even full blast. I can't get it straight. Whoa, that was a big hit on the curb. I just hit a curb. I just hit a curb. GPS came off. We went 51, but I know I wasn't full blast. I gotta find a better spot for this. But I hit that curb full blast because I know I went a little faster. I don't think anything broken. Bumper, my thing is kind of really up now. My diffuser. But I don't think there's any damage. Okay, put the GPS back on there. You need a very long friggin' spot to get this done. Nope, I hit a bump and ran out of control. Man, you need a lot of spot to back up. I was afraid of hitting that curb again, so I slowed down. I did get a good run. Whoa! That was good. As soon as I get to the right speed, I really got to slow down. Car! Let's slow down for that car. pretty good. I don't know if it was long enough. Let's see what we got. 53 miles an hour. Well, that's not bad. On 3S. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget, keep hitting those curbs. Just kidding. Talk to you guys later. Thanks.